Hey everyone, my name is Riten. I'm the founder of Fueler. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can apply through Fueler using assignments. So if you have already received this link, okay, I'll tell you step by step how you can apply for this job through assignments. So just to give you a small context, Fueler is a portfolio platform that helps companies hire through assignments. Okay, so in simple words, Fueler is a platform that helps you create a portfolio. At the same time, you can apply to different jobs in companies based on your skills. Okay, so company don't similar to other job platform, companies don't post jobs here. What they do, they post hiring assignments. So if you like the job, if you like the companies and everything, you can apply for the job, but here you have to work on the assignment, you have to submit. Okay, that's how Fuel is all about. So coming back, so you might have received one of the links like this where you have to apply for the job. So first of all, check out the company name and what exactly being is asked. You can go and check out the JD here. And by the way, this everything is being done by the companies themselves, so they will handle everything. So whatever submissions you make here, the company and the team will check your work, and from there they'll be connecting with you and they will hire you. Okay, now once you see what is the assignment being asked here, so you have to work on the assignment and you have to submit. So what is the step for that? So once you click on this, once you get on this link, click on the submit button. Here you will see the first section is the thumbnail. So what exactly is thumbnail, I'll tell you. So I'll take a reference profile here. Okay, so the best part about applying through Fueler is your work is never wasted. Okay, so imagine if you apply for jobs in different platforms, or say applying manually, what happens, your assignment is not documented. So through Fueler, your assignment is always documented. That's the best part about it. So in future, it's always going to help you get a job. Now coming back here, the thumbnail is nothing but this thumbnail. So if you're a Fueler user already, you know what thumbnails are all about and the importance of having a good thumbnail. So thumbnails are nothing but, if you're doing an assignment, okay, you have to just create a thumbnail, like just simple picture, okay, which is going to be less than 1 MB. So you can use Canva or any other tool and create a very simple thumbnail, because this is going to look good when you're applying for your job. Okay, now coming to the second part, you have to write the title. Okay, and yeah, so you can see this is a profile where you can see there are different thumbnails, right? So this thumbnail makes your profile more attractive. So similar to this, when you're applying for job, you can add your thumbnail, or you can keep it blank, not a problem. Okay, just keep it blank, then write the title. What is your title? The title could be, so your assignment was this, right? So all right, so your assignment was this, content and account manager at crazy part. Okay, so you can literally write a title like this. Okay, yeah, content account manager at crazy part, say by XYZ. So in this case, if I'm applying by Riten, okay, I can do something like this. So title is nothing but something that is relevant that you can add. Okay, for your assignment. Description is the important part where you can write more details about your assignment. So I have given a small detail here. Write a description of your project. You can follow a format like objective, time required, to tools use, conclusion. So here you can simply go with format like this, where I shared an example, right? So let's go back again to this portfolio. So here let's take an example of this assignment, what this guy has done. So he has done this assignment where he has mentioned this, see, in a simple way possible. The task, he has mentioned the task in a listicle way, then the tools use and project type. Very simple. You can simply paste something like this here in the description. You can follow very other lot of different other formats too. So maybe take other Arya Kapoor Fueler. Okay, I'm sharing some examples, guys, so that it helps you. So yeah, by the way, Fueler indexes on the internet directly. So if you're uploading your work on Fueler, it gets ranked on Google. So it helps you in future opportunities as well. Okay, my internet is a bit slow, but yes. So if you click on the assignments page, guys, all right, you can see different type of assignment that Arya has applied, right? So if you click on this, say again the assignment here, it's written, I mean something like this, right? You can make it even more details. Totally your call. Okay, so make the description a bit relevant so that people kind of understand what exactly you try to work on. Okay, so one more assignment reference I'll share here is assignment. So this guy, he has 4 approved assignment, which is like a big deal. So for example, if I click on say this, okay, so you can see again he has mentioned the description, design direction and everything. So your description could be something relevant which you are that you have done. Okay, so for example, I will simply I'll simply mention description. I mean, this is just for trial, guys. I'm not doing it. Okay, time required. Okay, then then I would say objective was in the beginning, probably the result or anything. I mean, totally your call, whatever you want to put up. Okay, so description has to be something relevant so that others who's watching this, they will get a proper context what exactly you try to work on. Okay, now coming back, you have to add your today's date, which date you applied. Okay, then here is the main link. So if it's a Google Doc, if your project is in Google Doc, you can simply put the Google Doc link here. Okay, or Notion link, whatever link, just put the link here. And this is the optional part, video explanation. So imagine I'm recording this video, right? So you can do the same thing using Loom, okay, or maybe Neato. Okay, so any tools that are totally fine. You can create a screen recording of yourself where you can show what you have done. So that way you are actually standing apart from the rest of the crowd. Okay, so it's like you are having some unique advantage when you're applying through that. So it's totally optional. If you want, you can apply, or if you can keep it blank. Okay, so here's the link. Let's take an example. I'll put this link. Okay, and I'll click on next. All right, so I have added the detail. Okay, and click the next. Okay, so once I click the next button, so I'll get a screen where I have to add the details of my other details like salary, location, and all the details. Okay, let me show you that too. All right. So once I click on that, you can see this page. Okay. Here you can you have to add other details. Okay. So submit your resume link. Okay. So you the resume link, whatever resume you have, you put that in your Google Drive, and you can put the link here. Then add your device detail, portfolio link if you have any portfolio. Then add your current location. Okay. Then mention the tools you've used. Then time taken, the time that has been taken for doing this entire assignment. Then salary you can mention. So please make sure that you're adding your current salary, your expected salary. Okay. If you are doing if you're applying for freelancing, you can mention your current rates and everything. Try to make it as detailed as possible, because this is going to help you get the job. Then if the company is about on-site, you can mention, you can, if you can reload or relocate or not. If you do not, then just maybe mention no. Or if you others, then just mention the specific location preference. Okay. And how did you discover this? You can mention the name. I mean, like if you have discovered through this this link through me, then mention Riten, or through Twitter, my captain, whatever, whichever communities you belong to, you can apply it here. Okay. And can you join immediately? Say just yes or no, whatever it is. Okay. Or if you cannot join, notice period, I mean, if you have a notice period, then you can also mention others, and you can mention the time and date, like 15 days, 30 days, something like that. Just click on submit, and it will take the submissions all together. That's it, guys. It's very simple. I'm not adding the details here. Okay. Just to tell you, like applying to Fury is very simple. It has a higher chance of getting you hired. Okay. So please take time and sincerely submit your details, and you will definitely get to hear back from the companies. Okay. So all the best if you are watching this video. Bye, guys. I'll see you again.